How to watch video on Swagbucks. Hi guys, it's Mikran from Morning Basics. Today I'll be guiding you how to watch video on Swagbucks. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, the video option might not be available in every region, so proceed according to your region and try not to use any VPN service. Open up the Swagbucks application first, and if you haven't logged into your account already, go ahead and proceed with the login button. By using your account credential or social media account, once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page from where you will be shown to various different tasks that are available for you that you can do it in order to earn Swagbucks. Now in the discovery section at the bottom right corner, tap on it and you will see all the various ways by which you can earn Swagbucks. If you don't see a video section there, this might mean your location doesn't offer the service. If you can see the video option, you can simply tap on it and you will see the various different videos of that you can earn Swagbucks. Open up the video that you are interested in watching and you will be rewarded in real time with your Swagbucks as you complete the watch time hour requirement. And here you go, it's done. If you liked our video, press the thumbs up and share button. If you have any question, comment down below and don't forget to subscribe the channel for more tutorials.